Hey everyone, if you've already created a Mega account and want to access your files, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your Mega account step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Mega website. On the home page, click the Login button. Next, enter the email address you used to create your Mega account. Then type your password carefully into the password field. Now click the Login button to access your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll also need to enter the verification code from your authentication app. After that, wait a few moments while Mega verifies your credentials and loads your cloud storage dashboard. So if you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions sent to your registered email address to reset it. Finally, once you're signed in, you can upload files, organize folders, share content securely, and manage your cloud storage from the dashboard. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully logged into your Mega account. Now you're ready to access your files anytime and from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.